that I have fake shoes.
I used to be broke as a joke, now I'm having whatever I like. I still been fighting my demons, it's been one hell of a fight. I'm tired as hell, but I swear that I never get tired of trying. I'm cool as a wind, but I still can't let that nigga cross my line. Fuck what you heard, I don't care who you are. Came from the dirt, now I shine like a star. Ask how I'm doing, I'll tell you I'm fine. Look in my eyes, you can tell that I'm lying. Never thought that I would make it this far. I sing my little song as I play a guitar. Was writing this song and I ran out of time.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 773 Josh, and we are back with another video. And today, I wanted to go ahead and give you guys something that I truly have not done in a very, very long time. You know, my phone just fell. But I want to give you guys a video of actually doing something that I haven't done in a very, very long time. This is actually what I started off doing on YouTube. Well, actually, first video was like a sneaker customization. And then I started getting into like reselling sneakers, and then I started collecting very heavily. As you guys can see from the title of the video, we are doing an unboxing, not an unboxing, but a review on the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined, pretty much the white cements. So this is a grade school pair, right? So as you guys can see, it doesn't have the wear on the box. The box does look worn out, but it's not because of they meant to do it. You know, I guess that's just from the travel. But looking at the box, as you guys can see right here, you have the size tag. Size tag does not have the price on it. I don't know why. And I'm gonna give you guys, like, you know, my personal opinion in terms of the quality control and quality check. But box is, you know, pretty cool. Regular Air Jordan 3 box. Then open it up, you guys got the regular elephant print paper. And pulling out this very first shoe, you know, when I took a glance at them when I first got them. I from Champs. Just picked them up, what was this, last night? So as you guys can see, very, very nice shoe in terms of just the layout. You know, we got black and white midsole right here. We got the elephant print right here, very nice. I've seen some pairs to where it kind of looks faded. On the grade school pair, you know, the elephant print is definitely deeply there. You know, it's not faded at all. And then you got the tumble leather on top. And then, you know, regular Air Jordan 3, you know, same situation as it always is. I don't know if you guys can notice from the color, but there is discoloration right here on the back tab, and then there's also discoloration on the midsole as well, you guys. So it does have a yellowish hue to it, a yellowish tint, and the overall goal is to show it as being an aged shoe. You know what I'm saying? So looking at the bottom, regular Air Jordan 3 bottom right here, I believe this is the same bottom that the the black cements have. You know, black cement 3s. I actually have a pair of black cement 3s from the, what was that, 2018 release? I believe it was 2018 release. So as you guys can see, all around, very, very simple, well-known setup that we have always seen. But we've seen this before. You know, it's nothing new. The only new thing I would say is the discoloration within the back tab and the midsoles as well. But just to go ahead and talk to you guys a little bit more about the quality of these pairs, you know, me personally, I'm not too fond of it. You know, I'm seeing some loose threads, and that's not even the biggest thing that I've noticed with these shoes. The paint job isn't the best, and I'll actually drop some B-roll in there to where you guys can actually see what I mean. But the paint job isn't the best. You know, you got some, you know, caked up paint. You got air bubbles in the paint as well. And the biggest thing that I actually noticed, I was on the phone with a friend, and she was like claiming that I had fake shoes. It was like a joke or whatever. But she was like, you know, you got your fake shoes or something like that. And I was like, these shoes real. I showed her the receipt and stuff like that. And I started actually just looking at the shoes deeper into detail. And I noticed a real big, like, it was like a real big flaw of these sneakers. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is like real alarming, because, you know, it's gonna start to really get harder with legit checking certain shoes if they're dropping sneakers like this with this bad of quality or inconsistency within the sneakers. What I wanted to do real quick was just show you guys the insoles of this shoe, because this is something that I noticed on this pair, and I want to go ahead and show you guys so you guys can actually see it for yourself. So what I want you guys to actually notice is the difference between the Nike logo and also the like just the material, like just how it's on there. Like it looks like a 50 cent tattoo. You know, y'all ever went to like the laundromat as a kid, put the quarters in the machine, got the tattoo, wore it a couple of days, and that looked a little dried up and pilly. That, like, this is how this looks. It looks very dried up. It looks like it could peel. And it's very inconsistent within the sizing, right? I don't know if you guys could see it, but I'm gonna put it side by side for you guys. And I'm gonna just take a look myself so I know. So this right hand pair, right? What is this? This is really the right foot. So this right foot, and so the Nike logo is a lot lower, right? You see how it's lower and it's further off to the back, opposed to the Nike logo on the left shoe, the left insole. It's more in the middle, and it's also a lot of space in between the end of the insole. So that was something that I really realized, and I'm like, that's gonna rub off within the first or second wear. So, you know, I would just say that this is a very, very beautiful pair. Beautiful release. I'm glad that they did release these, but I can't wait to get my personal pair in hand. But you know, I would just say also, you know, just one thing about threes, I never really personally like the model, but my black cement threes definitely wore on me, and it was also like they're very comfortable sneakers. At a majority of the Jordans, you know, you got the 11s could be comfortable, but if you wear them for too long, it could start to get uncomfortable. I feel like the most comfortable Air Jordans are the 4s, the 3s, and probably the 5s. After that, I feel like the 6s, the 7s were the 8s were comfortable because the 8s were like tight fit, especially depending on what colorway you had. And I know that the 8 had like a glove kind of material on the inside. But I don't want to ramble you guys. This is your Air Jordan White Cement 3. Very, very inconsistent in quality from what I've seen with my personal pair and also other reviewers. But let me know in the comment section below, you guys, what you think best about these shoes. And if you guys want me to continue, because I know I've gotten into more of like a entrepreneur and investing style of my content, but I do still love sneakers and I do still love making these type of videos. So let me know if you guys want to continue to see videos like this, and we'll keep it going. But we are out.
Not alone, they all thought I would fold, but the devil's a liar. My heart is broken to pieces, I'm chasing this feeling, I'm running from demons. I just need to know that I am not alone, I'll always be here for you, and that's on my soul. Broken promises and secrets, these will switch on you just like a season. I just need to know that I am not alone, I ain't saving no, cause I'm stuck to the code. I'm popping these pills like I need them, I am not a human, I feel like a creature. I just need to know that I am not alone, I pop just to get in my mode. You know I got the whole gang with